basically today we're getting the job site cleaned up, or ashes, that we're currently on, because we're moving to another one simultaneously. So we have to kind of get this cleaned up, figure out what tools need to go there and what tools need to stay here. I am currently making a supply list that goes in line with our construction schedule at the new job. So to try and avoid running to Home Depot 6 times a day because I forgot this or forgot that, I'd like to have as much on job site as possible within the space allowed. Obviously I can't deliver a whole job and sit it in someone's garage when they need to use their garage. So it's kind of has to go in steps, so I try to do it a couple days at a time. So we're gonna jump in the truck, drive to Depot, pick up the stuff we need for tomorrow and for the next couple days, go drop those materials off, and go from there. To the depot. Get 'em. I said I was trying to lip sync the song, but I don't know the words that well.
Till I walk in.
Doing well, thank you. And none of them are set up the same for some reason. It's hard to remember where things are. There we go.
What do you think is the hardest thing about working with Ash?
Just kind of separating him being an employee and him being my best friend. It's hard to maybe get mad at him for work and then go to the gym with him an hour later and it be separate. And I take that back. I hate to say works for me. I hate using that word. We work together. I work with these people because I wouldn't be able to do it, any of this, without them. So, my name's on the accounts, but it's a joint effort, so it's a we thing. But keeping that in mind makes it easier. I try to value his opinions, even if sometimes they're terrible, sometimes they're great. I still value that I get them, that he's included in the process, the decision-making process. But I would say, I know I went on a rant there, but I would say friendship and business, keeping it separated. And that goes with all of my family and friends. For the rest of today, we're gonna go drop off these materials to the job site. So we're ready to go first thing in the morning. Gonna pick up some tools that we need to start, and then sit down and refine our construction schedule so we know what we're doing on any given day. Given there will be some things that come up that we can't plan for. And then we're gonna go to the gym.
What do you find most difficult about working with James?
What I find most difficult, it's not really difficult, it's more like with him, I just don't want to disappoint him, you don't want to be the one, that he calls for help, and yet he's the one, going back and doing your work again, kind of being new. I'm trying to learn everything, and I'm trying to learn it well to where he can depend on me to do it by myself and do it right. So that way we're progressing, and it works out well.
Well, folks, that's about it for the day. We will see you tomorrow morning on our new job site, bright and early. Hope you're ready. Thanks for watching.